Hey there, and welcome to Grow Your Brand with Social Media. If you didn't already know, my name is Humza Zahoor, CEO and founder of Social Awaken. And let me just say, I am super excited that you're here. Social media has completely flipped the script on how we connect, communicate, and grow our businesses. And guess what? You're about to unlock that power and take your brand to a whole new level. Now here's the fun part. This course is packed with hours of detailed content and exclusive interviews with global franchise owners, industry pros, entrepreneurs, and influencers. We're not just handing you the knowledge, we're giving you first-hand insights from people who've been there, done that, and absolutely crushed it. The best part? You can tackle this course however you want. Spread it out over a few days, or if you're feeling ambitious, power through it in a day. It's your call. This course is broken down into 5 comprehensive chapters, each designed to transform your social media game and elevate your brand. Here's what's coming your way. Starting with Chapter 1, Foundations of Social Media Marketing. We'll kick things off by breaking down the basics. We're diving into platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and many others. Whether you're a newbie or looking to refresh your strategy, this chapter gives you the foundation to master them all. Chapter 2 is how to increase revenue and brand awareness. Now here's where we get into the good stuff. Strategies to boost your brand's visibility and of course, revenue. We're talking about keeping your branding consistent, navigating algorithms like a pro, and even diving into influencer marketing and social media advertising. This is where you'll start seeing real results. Chapter 3, Power of Personal Branding. Now, personal branding is everything in today's world. We'll show you how to define your unique voice, build an authentic brand story, and stand out from the crowd. You'll also hear about some incredible personal brands that have skyrocketed to success, and we'll also delve deeper into some of the things discussed in my book, You Are the Brand. Chapter 4 is the evolution of social media algorithms and short-form content. Now, social media is changing every day and so are its algorithms, but don't worry, we've got you covered. This chapter will help you understand how algorithms work, why short-form content is blowing up, and how you can use both to your advantage. And finally, Chapter 5, Data-based decision-making and building your dream team. Now, data is your best friend when it comes to social media and your strategies. We'll show you how to use it to optimize content, improve targeting, and ultimately grow your brand. Plus, we'll talk about how to build the ultimate social media team, whether in-house or through an agency like ourselves. This is where your growth really takes off, and it doesn't end there. You'll also unlock some serious perks like a one-on-one, 1-hour online call with yours truly, and of course, a free copy of my book, You Are the Brand, membership in our Social Awaken Academy community for ongoing support and networking, Social Awaken swag because who doesn't love merch, lifetime access to exclusive content including interviews with top franchise owners, entrepreneurs, and influencers updated regularly. But here's the deal, guys. We're giving you all the tools, strategies, and insights to grow your brand. But the execution is in your hands. It's all about taking action. You've got to put in the work, and trust me, if you do, the results will follow. So are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. I'm about to hand you over to one of our experts at Social Awaken, our head of social, Russia, who will take you through our first chapter, Foundations of Social Media Marketing. Let's go.